Hi everyone, this is Tony Correa, and today I'm going to be teaching you how you can buy web hosting from the guys from Ionos. Yes, so to start this, remember that I'm going to be dropping my link down below the video for you to get a big discount when it comes to web hosting registration. Yes, so after we click in the link down below the video description, we're going to check, we're going to check here where it says hosting. Click here, and as you can see, we have share hosting and unmanaged hosting, web hosting, ASP.NET hosting, deploy now, and many other things. So let's go straight here where it says web hosting. And you guys are going to be checking the fast, scalable hosting for any website. 99.9 uptime guarantee, PHP 8.3 with GIT compiler, SSL and backups. Yes, starting at $5 per month. Yes, so as we can see, we have 3 plans or 4, right? For example, the essential one, the starter, the plus, and the ultimate. Yes, for the purpose of the video, we're going to be checking the essential for one website or project. Or if you want, guys, you can start with the unlimited websites. It means that you're going to host as many, unlimited websites, or for example, 10 websites. Depends on your needs, right? For example, if we go with essential, we're going to be paying $5 per month. You are going to pay right now $60, and when you renew it, you're going to be paying $72. Yes, for example, for one website, you're going to be getting 10 GB storage, 10 databases, basic CPU memory resources, free domain for 1 year. In all the plans, it includes the free domain. Yes, professional email, free wildcard SSL certificate, daily backup and recovery, and free 24/7 support. Yes, let's imagine you guys, you want to start with the basic one for one website. You are going to host one website and just click where it says add to cart. Yes, so after this, add your domain now and get it free for 12 months. So if you don't have a domain, for example, you can ever create your domain. Yes, for example, my domain is related to web hosting. I can say, for example, ESPN hosts, for example, .com, and check if it's available. Click where it says check. Yeah, and it's free. So 1 year free. Then you're going to pay $17 per year. Yes, we're going to add it to the cart. And as you can see, the guys also offer me domain guard, full protection for all your domains for $1 for 1 year, and then you just pay $15 a year. It's optional, but you can ever add it to your cart. Then click to continue. Yes. As you can see right here, almost there. Make sure your website is strong and visible. Yes. Let's see. Ionos CDN powered by Cloudflare. This is not, if you want, you can ever add it. Yes, these are add-ons. Just click where it says continue. Or also you can check the malwares and everything, right? For example, I'm getting the web hosting essential. Yes, as you can see, I have also selected the domain name espnhosts.com. $1 per 1 year. Yes, and here's the cost: $60 the web hosting and $18 the domain registration. Yes, then recommended add-ons. This is not important, but if you want, for example, you can say, we can see here, easily create your WordPress website, 30-day trial. After the trial period, $3 a month. You can add it if you want, but that's okay for now. Yes, click where it says continue. Yes, after this, yes, it says new to Ionos, continue to checkout, or you can also pay with PayPal, right? So we imagine everyone is new, continue to checkout. Okay, now we are going to create our new account, your billing information. Are you using the product for business or personal purposes? In this case, personal. Title, I am a man, so I am Mr. First name Tony, last name Correa, country Peru, address San Miguel Avenue, yes, address 105, this is the number of the address, city Lima, zip code 00001, email. I'm going to drop my email here, tonycorrea123 at gmail.com. Yes, you guys type your email. My phone number, well, for security reasons, I'm going just to type 99999. And then you guys type your real name and your real iPhone, your real phone number. Your domain registration, please note that in order to be able to register domains, it is required to provide domain registries with a real world address. Yes, use the same address and email in the data above. Yes. Choose password for your Ionos control panel. I'm going to create a password. You guys are going to create your password as well. Yeah. And then continue to payment options. Okay, we continue to this. Please select your preferred payment method. You can ever pay with credit card or PayPal. Yes, for example, in this case, I'm gonna be paying with credit card, and I say 44551. This is just a random number. Yes, so you guys are going to type your real card number, the CVV code, card verification code. It is usually in the back part of the credit card or card. For example, it's made up of 3 numbers. Expiration month. Yes, when is it? For example, in November. Expiration year 2030, for example. Yes, once you complete your real card number, the CVV code with 3 numbers, expiration month, September, for example, year 2030, select your credit card billing address. Must be the same address that appears on your credit card bills. Click here, same address. Yes, and then continue to order review. So once we continue to order review, the payment will be automatically, well, made, and you will receive a confirmation email in your email box. Yes, I hope you have liked my video, guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked my video, but if you don't, I appreciate that you were watching my tutorial. Thank you very much.